composite number. So A will be the correct example of prime factorization. Tell whether each number is prime or composite. 11 and 7. 11 and 7 both are prime numbers, not composite. Tell whether each number is prime or composite. 14, 16. 14 and 16 both the numbers are composite number because both the numbers having the common factors more than the two factors, which is 1 and itself. Like 14 have the common factors 1, 14 and also 2, 7. So 14 is the composite number, same 16. You can see the positive factors are 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So here the common the factor greater than 1, the number of factors greater than 116 means greater than 2 factors, 1, 2, 3 extra factors except 1 and 16. So this will be composite number. Write your numbers as the product of two positive numbers. Continue factoring until all the numbers are prime. Circle the prime numbers. You can write prime factorization by using exponent. The exponent tells how many times to use the base as a factor. Additional example, write the prime factorization of the number 24. 24 is equal to 8 into 3. Write 24 as a product of two positive factors. Continue factoring until all the factors are prime. Circle your prime numbers. Write the prime factorization using exponents. So here again we can do for 8, 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the power 3 into 8 is the prime factorization of 24. You can see 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The prime factorization of 24 is 2 to the power 3 into 3. Write the prime factorization of the number 150. Write 24 as a product of two positive factors. Continue factoring until all the factors are prime. Circle your prime numbers. Write the prime factorization using exponents. 150 is equal to 30 into 5, 10 into 3 into 5, 2 into 5 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 over 2 is the prime factorization of 150. For 225, we can do the same. 225, 45 into 5, 9 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. The prime factorization of 225 is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, or 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. Write the prime factorization of the number 90. 90, this will be equal to 45 into 2. For 45, 9 into 5 into 2. For 9, 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. 3 to the power 2 into 5 into 2 is the prime factorization of 90. So what is a number called that has only two positive factors? What is a number called that has more than two positive factors? What is it is called when you write a composite number as a product of its prime factors? Is the prime or composite? Is the number given 23, 39? Write the prime factors of the number 120. These are some questions and you can answer as per your discussion held in the previous lectures. Tell whether each number is prime or composite. 23, 39, 27. Write the prime factors of each number. 27, 36, 28, 132, 52 and 108. So here you can see 23 is prime, 39 is composite, 27 is composite. Write the prime factorization of each number. 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, for 36, for 28, 2 to the power 2 into 7, for 132, 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 11, 52, 2 to the power 2 into 13, for 108, 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3.